We've just acquired this top of the range CX5 Suzuki Vitara DDiS. It's in lovely condition. Wheels are unblemished. Paintwork's lovely. It's got full leather seats, tilt and slide electric sunroof, satellite navigation, climate control, switchable 4-wheel drive, heated seats, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, full electric windows, the tow bar, it's not been abused in the back. Side steps, absolutely gleaming. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.